Welcome back, Future Medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the new reservation introduced for the children of COVID warriors. So recently, the central government has announced 5 seats reserved under central pool quota for the children of COVID warriors. So we are going to look at the notice and how to apply for this reservation. So you can see here, this notification is dated 5th December 2020 from the Directorate General of Health Services. So let's look at it. It is for the information to all the candidates who have appeared and qualified for NEET examination. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare have decided to allot 5 MBBS seats to children of COVID warriors. So there are 5 MBBS seats reserved for the children of COVID warriors. MCC is inviting applications from interested and eligible children of COVID warriors deceased. Okay, so it's only for deceased COVID warriors. That means those who have died due to COVID while they are fighting or while they are helping COVID infected patients, they might have died. So for them, these seats are reserved. So how do you apply? You need to apply through respective Directorate of Medical Education or Directorate Health Services of their domicile states. So you need to submit your application through your DME. So if you are from Tamil Nadu, you need to submit your application through DME Tamil Nadu. If you are from Karnataka, you need to submit your application through DME Karnataka. So respective states DME will forward the applications to the central government. You cannot directly apply to these seats. You need to go through the DME. The applications filled in the format appended below. So this notification has the application also. So I will provide a link to this application in the description below. You can download and then use it to apply. So who is COVID warrior? COVID warriors means public health care providers, including community health workers, who may have to be in direct contact and care of COVID-19 patients, and who may be at risk of being impacted by this. Private hospital staff and retired, volunteer, local urban bodies, contractual, daily wage, ad hoc, outsourced staff requisitioned by states, central hospitals, autonomous hospitals of central states, union territories, AIIMS and INIS, hospitals of central ministries drafted for COVID-19. All these people are included. Okay. Only NEET qualified. You should have qualified in the NEET. Without NEET qualification, you cannot apply. Now you can see that these are the 5 colleges in which 1 seat is reserved for the COVID warriors. The first one, Lady Hardinge Medical College, New Delhi, only for girls. So 1 seat is reserved for girls. Then MG Mahatma Gandhi Wardha, Maharashtra, NSCB Medical College, Madhya Pradesh, JLN Medical College, Rajasthan, Government Medical College, Haldwani, Uttarakhand. So these are the 5 colleges in which 5 seats are reserved for children of COVID warriors. Now this is the application. So you can submit this application, and this application will be for central pool MBBS seats under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare for children of COVID warriors deceased. So fill this application. So these are the standard details you need to fill. You need to attach the death certificate, and then you need to submit it to the DME. Then DME will provide a certificate. They will provide a certificate of eligibility for consideration of allotment in central pool for wards of COVID warriors. So this application should be filled by the DME of your state, and they need to sign with official seal. Once they sign this will be forwarded to the Directorate General of Health Services. And the details of the respective state medical education is provided here. So you look at what is your state and you can find the details of your DME, and accordingly you can submit your application. So as of now, they have not provided any deadline, but I recommend you, or I suggest you, to submit the application as quickly as possible, because this is for this year admission. So we have to do it very quickly. My best wishes to you all. Thank you very much.